good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so far this morning we've had like a little bit of a rocky start, but I am making her bottle so that we can go take us a little nappy nap again because it's too early in the damn morning, and then we can start again. Okay, so it'll probably be good evening by the time I come back. But the good thing is we're gonna cook today. Are we gonna cook today? Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Anywho, good thing is we're gonna cook today. And I want to do some decorating in the living room. I might do it, but I won't be fully decorated, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna like see what happens today and pray that things get done, because I also have to wrap some gifts tonight as well, but I can't show the gifts in case my family watches it. So I'll show you like the after product of the gift. But yeah, we're waiting on Daddy to get home now, and once this bottle is warmed up, hopefully I'll be done pumping. Catch us soon. Yay! Okay guys, so we just woke up from a little nap. I didn't change her and everything, so now we're about to go brush our teeth so Mama can get something to eat. I do not like this bra, but it is what it is. But we're gonna go handle that. Izzy, Aaliyah, hi, I love you. So once we do that, I'm gonna probably go in there and start cooking so that we can kind of get some food started, because it's already 12 o'clock. So yeah. Daddy's not here, but I'm gonna go ahead and cook because I'm hungry, and I know Izzy's hungry, so I'm about to rinse this off. Alright, so let's flip them back on their fronts, and we're just gonna go ahead and start seasoning. I'm the type of person that when it comes to meat in general, I don't like it. I don't like the yuckiness or whatever, so yeah. But starting with some Creole seasoning, going with some adobo seasoning, and then some blackened. Damn. Rubbing this in there. Now, I like to take it over and coat the sides as well, because, you know, I don't know. I was about to say, like, sir, man. I'm doing very light on the sides just because I don't want to overseason. Now, the bottom, we don't care too much about. But now that we got all this in there, just want a little bit more blackened on this side. I'm going to go ahead and toss this in the air fryer. Yep. With their little cabbages. Put that in there, that little Brussels sprouts. Thing of vegetables for us. We haven't had Brussels sprouts in a while either. Normally I do like broccoli or green beans or whatever, but today we're just going to go and do the whole thing of Brussels sprouts. Now, I am going to spritz this with oil, but I'm also going to pour in the oil and then kind of give it a good mix. So, I'll season it a little bit heavier just because it is, you know, what it is. And yes, baby girl is eating some of these. So, your stuff should look hella seasoned. Okay. Why? I know y'all probably gonna be like, why are you making this? This is long turkey. I like the 85-15, but So I can put them in here, Izzy, and make individuals. Or I can try to do, because everything's not going to fit in here, so I'm going to have to do 2 of these. We're going to figure it out. Alright, so as the meat is now working down, honestly, I could have done all this shit on the stove. I'm putting anything in the oven, but, you know, I'm trying something new. So I'm going to take maybe like 3 ounces. Yeah, because I like mine cheesy. Because I'm gonna eat some dip, it's gonna be cheesy. So I'm gonna take about 3 ounces. Toss that on in there. Y'all don't see her, but I'll get done before the baby realizes. You know, 1, 2. Just some more crunchies. Yes, I put it in like 8, just so it can melt easier because, you know, who has time for that? So we're gonna use just a whole block. I feel like I got like more white than yellow, which is okay because we're still gonna put that salsa con queso in there and chilies. I don't like tomatoes, so I'm not putting tomatoes in there. And then we're gonna go in with our meat. Just gonna slide that on, you know. I hope this pan is big enough, you know, like it should be. Probably should put the meat first, but oh well. I'm just gonna lay that over top. Oh. You can just feel that. I hope this does not overflow, y'all. Like, I'm having anxiety because I feel like it's gonna overflow. Expands, but this is what it's looking like. Just gonna oven real quick, and we're done.